So this is the adapter motor that I got for my 48 needle circular knitting machine. It's AIDILER or AIDILER. I don't know how to say it, but there it is. There's the brand name. And I will show you everything that it comes with. With the adapter, it comes with a new knob, so you're able to cast on and cast off. It comes with the power cord that you can plug it in. It plugs right back here. It also comes with some adapters and some tools. It comes with these tools and it comes with this adapter that I had to use. And I will show you why. And it also comes with really nice directions as well as nice YouTube videos that you can take a look at. So depending on how old your machine is, you can have a version where this handle, this middle piece pops off. So it shows this little guy pops it off and then there's a screw. Mine wasn't that way, so it came with this extra little piece of paper with a new adapter, and it has a QR code to get to this YouTube video that shows exactly how to install it using the adapter as well, and I followed it step by step and I was able to install it. It worked really well. So some people said in the reviews on Amazon that it didn't work for their machine, so I just don't know if they didn't read this part or maybe their kit didn't come with it, but it now does. So I feel that it works for both machines. I have my YouTube channel where I also post my videos, but I will post these how-to videos. I'll do a 48 needle knitting machine adapter section with this video along with all their how-to videos as well. So you can take a look at your machine maybe before you buy it. So I'll show you some of the few little things it has. Here's where it plugs in and then it can plug into your wall. This little guy is for the speed. And if you look, it has a little plus or minus and plus. This is off, and then all the way up is to the fastest. And then it has the knob so you can cast on and off, and then it has a forward and reverse. So these don't work unless the speed is on. So you can either turn it on and then turn on your speed, or if you had the speed on a little bit, it will start. And the one thing it did say, it either says in the directions or it had another little sheet in the kit when this came in. I mean, it's small because it attaches to your machine. It can kind of overheat and get a little warm. So it says every now and then it needs to rest after, I think it says like every 20 minutes or so. I can't quite remember. Or if you just like hear it kind of slowing down, and you do kind of hear it when it might get a little bit warm. And then I just turn it off and I let it rest. I will stretch. And I also have another 48 needle circular knitting machine that still has the hand crank. It's my newer one that I use when this guy needs a little bit of rest. So why I did decide to get this is I'm going to use this machine with this adapter only for knitting in the tube. And the reason is this button, it's pretty like finicky, right? For starting and stopping a little bit. I will do some videos showing how to cast on. I'll probably make a beanie hat or something. So cast on, cast off, and show you how it all works. But for doing projects in the panel, I think this is a little bit too, it just doesn't quite work because I think panels are really hard. So a lot harder than the tube. So I got this for making projects in the tube and for making really long projects. I want to make a blanket using this, and I want to do a cardigan using this in the tube. So it kind of just depends on what you're wanting to do, or if you do have multiple machines, just kind of consider that because it is kind of a permanent installment. You could remove it and swap out your crank handle, but that takes a little bit of time. I didn't want to do that, so this one's kind of my permanent one for longer tube projects. And then during Black Friday when there was a sale, I got another 48 needle circular knitting machine that I still just have the crank handle on and I use for other things so I can swap back and forth. So that's just something to consider if you only have one machine, where you're fine for this, because this is fine for, you know, when you're casting on and casting off, but for doing multiple rows, this is going to get very tiring on your wrist. So that's just a few things to consider. I mean, there's a lot of pros that it's going to save my shoulder when doing a lot of rows like that. There are a few cons, like it does need to rest, But overall, I'm fairly happy with it, and it's a really decent price. So I'll also do a video on how to cast on and cast off and maybe make a beanie hat or something so you guys can see how it works making a project. I have the link to this on my Amazon storefront. The link is in my bio, but I'll also put a product link down in the comments if you want to take a look at the one that I got. There's the 48 needle. This is the one I have. There is also a different version that you need for the 40 needle. I will also post that, but I have not purchased the 40 needle one. I have only gotten the 48. So I will do that. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helps. Like and subscribe for more videos.